Today, I'll show you how to animate a logo in After Effects step by step using simple properties like opacity, position, scale, and rotation. By the end, you'll know how to create clean, professional logo animations you can reuse in different projects. First, let's bring your logo into After Effects. Go up to the top menu and choose File, then Import, and then File. In the window that appears, navigate to where your logo file is saved. Select it and click Open. You'll now see your logo appear in the project panel. To start working with it, drag the logo from the project panel down onto a new composition or onto an existing composition's timeline. This puts the logo on a layer you can animate. If your logo has multiple parts, such as text, an icon, or background shapes, it's helpful to separate them onto their own layers. The goal is to have individual control over each element you want to animate. If your logo file is already layered, like a layered Photoshop file, you can import it as a composition so each layer comes in separately. If it's a flat image, you may need to prepare it beforehand in a design tool so the text, icon, and shapes can be animated independently. Once separated, you'll see each part of the logo on its own layer in the timeline, which makes animation much more flexible. Next, decide what animation style you want for your logo. A simple and popular option is a fade in. For that, you'll animate the opacity. Another option is a slide in, where the logo or its parts move onto the screen by animating position. If you want a more dynamic entrance, you can use a zoom by animating scale or a spin by animating rotation. You can even combine these styles like a logo that both fades and slides in, but we'll focus on them one at a time so the process is clear. To animate, you'll be working with keyframes. These are markers in time that tell After Effects where to start and end an animation. Let's walk through the general process, which is the same for opacity, position, scale, or rotation. First, select the layer you want to animate. Then, in the timeline, reveal the property you want to change. For opacity, you can press T. For position, press P. For scale, press S. And for rotation, press R. You'll see a stopwatch icon next to that property. To add your first keyframe, place the playhead where you want the animation to start, then click the stopwatch. This creates a keyframe at that moment with the current value. Next, move the playhead forward in time to where you want the animation to end. Change the value of the property. For a fade in, you might start at 0% opacity and end at 100%. For a slide in, you could start the logo off screen and end with it centered. When you change the value, After Effects automatically creates a new keyframe at the playhead position. The software will then animate smoothly between those 2 points. To make the motion feel more natural and less mechanical, you can smooth it out using Easy Ease. Select the keyframes you've created by clicking and dragging over them, or holding Shift and clicking each one, then press F9 on your keyboard. Easy Ease adjusts the speed of the motion so it accelerates and decelerates more gracefully, which usually looks much more professional than a linear robotic movement. Once you've set your keyframes and applied Easy Ease, preview the animation by pressing the spacebar. Tweak the timing by sliding keyframes closer together for faster motion or farther apart for slower motion. You can repeat this same process for opacity, position, scale, or rotation across different parts of your logo until you're happy with the overall look.